Hey teachers, this is Ken. I have a great resource for us. This is Ellii.com. It used to be called ESL.com or ESL Library, sorry. It's got all kinds of teaching materials for the ESOL classroom, and they're even leveled. You can change it from all to example for beginning, teens, and I saw a really cool resource earlier. They have videos. You go in here, you go to Task Player. Now, if you get a subscription by yourself, you can just go ahead and assign this to classes that you set up, just like your co-teachers do in their classrooms with other applications. So I go to Task Player, and there's a warm-up with some questions that you could have the students talk with each other about. Click I'm finished. And then they can go on to the next task, which is to watch a video about wedding receptions. Now, right now this is blocked. Oh, no, it's not blocked. Here it is. Okay, so they watch this video about a wedding reception. Okay, looks like that's done. And then we have a compare and contrast activity where we view the reference. Okay, so here's video 2. So you're probably thinking already, this wedding is slightly different than this one. So it's going to probably ask the students to compare and contrast, which is, one of the key skills that we want to teach our students. So how are their wedding receptions different? Okay, and then you can get your students to write their answers on paper or whatever. That's just a resource. Now, there's also lessons in here. So if I type, for example, World War II, okay, there is a lesson on World War II. And if you needed me to, I could go and print this off. This one is for intermediate or high intermediate students. I could see if there's a beginner one. But anyway, if I open the PDF, it has an entire printable PDF that I can give you on this topic, and it's going to include reading, writing, maybe some listening, maybe some speaking topics. So this involves some, intermediate vocabulary, reading, more reading, comprehension questions, some writing, work with a partner stuff, vocabulary review, more vocabulary review, some grammar lessons, which is great, and more grammar discussion. And then at the end, it has an answer key for the teacher, which is awesome. And there's even audio down here, and I can download that for you with the lesson. So these are awesome materials for our social studies, science, and English teachers. Let's see, I saw science earlier. I typed in chemistry. And they even have flashcards that you can print off. Electron configuration, that's probably not what our focused science students need. Let's see. All levels. Chemistry lab, that's a thing. Let's see if scientific method is in here. Or science. Okay. The flashcards are not terribly useful. It has just a picture representing a word. Collection might be cool. Science matters. This is from literacy to advanced. So this is from way low to advanced. So this is a collection of lessons. So this might be useful. Okay, for all levels, we have a trip to Perito Moreno Glacier, the digestive system, life process, all kinds of stuff. So If this sounds useful and you're ever really struggling to find a lesson to give to your students, reach out to me and see if I can find you something on Ellii.com. All right, I hope that helps.